What's up, guys? It's your boy Diving Deadpool here, and so what we're doing right now, we're trying to get cars to honk at us. Well, let's see how it goes. And by the way, that's Aiden. I want to zoom in on his face. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's get started. We're mainly looking for trucks, but anything will do. Let's give it a shot. That mother truck didn't even freaking honk. Oh yes, truck. Oi, car.
And you're gonna hear something loud.
Nah, this truck has to honk. So, well, what we do to get trucks to honk is go. Yes. That's our first honk of the video. The best honk, probably. Now, we've been getting cars and stuff to honk for a while. We've decided we should video it because it's fun.
Because if we're on highway, we're going to say, beep, 2 cars crash.
Yeah, I know. That's why we don't want to be over there at that road. Because we're right in front of my house. Well, I'm not going to show my freaking house.
But they will know that stuff there.
So, just no one will answer the door if they knock on it. And by the way, Aiden, dang it! You said that in the video, you dummy. Fuck, that's my neighbor's car. Honk, you motherfuckers. These motherfuckers won't honk. I'm shook.
You're scared, well, he's scared.
Shut up, Aiden.
He's scared.
Let me know if you guys want to see a fight between me and Aiden. If you do, comment down in the below who you think will win. Me, not him, obviously, because I'm the one with the YouTube channel.
Battery.
What? Oh shit! Is it still recording? You still recording? Yeah, you're still recording. Yo.
We're gonna get 2 more honks.
And then end of the video.
What he said.
Let me know if you guys want to see a Twitch stream. I mean, I've already done a stream on Twitch before. I can do it again if you guys want. Or YouTube, whichever one. I'm trying to figure out how Roblox will work for me to stream it. And yeah. Maybe we should there's a honk. One more honk, because we got that honk without even doing anything.
Exactly.
See, people are nice enough to give us honks.
Without us even talking.
Yeah, I know. This is crazy. It's already been 4 minutes, bro. I just farted.
Car.
Hashtag cringy.
Car. Oh no.
Oi, hashtag cringy. I'm zoomed in on your face, Aiden. Look, turn like yeah. As you guys can see, there's cars down there and cars down there.
And there's a black.
And then there's a cringy Sam. Hey. They looked at us like, what the f? that's the last honk we need.
No, let's do one more honk.
One more.
For the views.
For the effing views. It's already been 5 minutes, bro. We need a car honk in this. At least one car honk. Wait, have we already gotten a car honk? I'm not sure.
Yes.
Oh no, but
No, I'm pretty sure.
one more for you guys.
Just for the views.
Yeah, by the way, too, I'm not gonna get clickbaited, am I? From doing Tenebrongart's outro. It ain't my fault. I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna pause the video until there's another car. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, guys, we're back, and there's another car down there. I'll try and zoom
And
out.
while we were waiting, we saw a fucking duck run into a fence.
Oh,
Then
it was a
into
bird.
tree.
Come
No, it was a duck.
fucking honk, mate.
Honk! 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 Honk!
Oh my god! There's another car anyway. These
Kids
bitches
don't know how to honk.
I know, these bitches are only giving us waves. YouTube, please don't demonetize me. If you do, I'll kill you. No, I'm joking. Honk.
Honk!
Honk! Honk! Yes!
He heard us. He heard us.
Okay, so that was the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. And if you did, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And this is my first outro I'll ever do, so it ain't my... Wait, shit.
It ain't my fault.
It ain't my...